Alright, so there was a group of 4 of us that went to HackJack in Santa Monica in California, and this was the hack that we made up. We called it ArtPress. It's a wristband over here that has some NeoPixel LEDs on it, and it can synchronize with music. So we have a small selection of songs, and right. So the wristband wirelessly communicates over Bluetooth, and it does some beat detection to like synchronize with the music. So the other part of the project is this glove. These are 2 infrared LEDs with a battery on the back here, and this is a circuit board with a Wii mode. We just pulled the camera out of a Wii mode and kind of hooked it up to that circuit board and plugged that in via USB. So what that does is it actually, we can use a bunch of tricks to actually pull a 3D point out of these 2 LEDs. And if you have one finger covered, you can actually rotate in 3D around this object. So you can basically create anything you want with that. Right? And we have different modes for this. Yeah, resolution's tiny, so we can't get both of them up at the same time. Yeah. So the model will synchronize with music. Yeah, so this hack actually made it into the top 10. There are about 1,200 participants at HackJack. We were in the top 10 teams with this. We did this in 36 hours. It was a lot of fun. We didn't get much sleep.
The other thing.
The other thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Does my webcam work?
Does your webcam work?
I don't know.
Oh, you have to, it doesn't, you can't.
Oh, yeah, just restart it. So yeah, again, we did this in 36 hours.
Yeah. Is it? Did it connect?
Yeah.
A little bit?
It's just working for
The webcam? Oh, no, there we go. All right, so the other part of the application is like graffiti thing. Is it actually going to do anything?
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, there we go. Right, so this will use a... Yeah.
So they're in dark environments.
Yeah.
Move the shot.
They're on the lights. They're on the lights.
Camera up.
Here, there, right.
Where are the lights?
Right now.
There's the switch over there. Okay. That was actually pretty mugged. Yes, that's working a little bit better.
I stopped it.
Okay, well, so yeah, actually what happened was when we went to demo this in front of like everyone, we didn't take into account that infrared gets interfered with by sunlight, and we were working on our project kind of like in a darker corner, so it worked perfectly fine when we were showing it to everyone and all the judges. And then we went up there, and just nothing showed up when we were trying to draw in 3D, and that was fun, but we were still finalists. Also it crashed. So,
Yeah.
Any questions or anything?
Yeah, what are you planning to do with this in the future? Seems really cool.
Well, it's kind of like 3 applications thrown into one, so there's kind of 3 different ways to go. There's the infrared glove, which you could use for maybe sculpting or simple 3D printing or something like that, making quick models. You can make like OBJs with it or something, print it out like that, and then make it easy for someone to quickly make a model without knowing much CAD. Or with the light graffiti one, you don't necessarily have to use the band for that, so you could use any LED and the application will still work. And then the band here is just cool music stuff on there.
If you put a bunch of those and then like wrap it around someone's body, you can make that Tron where they just...
Yeah. Yeah, there was, I think one of the judges, he might not have been a judge, but somebody was like, came over and gave us information. He was like a DJ or something like that, and he was like, this is like really hard. Anything else?
Did this all in processing?
Yeah.
Yep. Processing is very simple. It's like, oh, please processing, do this, and then processing, okay, I'll handle it.
Yeah, I actually ended up running into a few issues with some extra features I was gonna add with the 3D stuff, where like it was actually like too simple. Like it wouldn't let me just pull out a matrix and modify it, so I couldn't like do some extra transformations or whatever. So that's just like not there. But yeah, processing is kind of cool for really simple stuff.
It also has they made an OpenCV library for it, so that's what allowed us to do the light graffiti portion very quickly.
What exactly is seizure mode?
That word's probably
Yeah.
Yeah.
demo.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So it's exactly what you expect it to be.
What's the best? Oh, yeah, I know.
Just pick any song.
Zelda.
It's not bad. Not bad.
Yeah. So it looks pretty cool with the 3D drawing application because the model is just in a bunch of different colors.
Yeah, it just goes through every color randomly.